How to auto scroll Instagram Reels, and can you even do that? That's what we will see in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, Instagram as of right now does not provide a feature or an option to auto scroll reels, unlike TikTok, which does have the auto scroll feature. Now, luckily, there is a solution that you can use, which is to use third-party apps. So if you just open up Play Store and search for auto scroll Instagram Reels, you'll find a lot of auto scroller apps that promise you to get the job done. And some of them do actually work, as I have installed this app right here, which is auto scroll screen reels and etc. If we just open the app, um, I just use it for a short amount of time, and actually the only thing that I did not like about is that it has a default scroll time. As you can see, um, reels will be auto scrolled uh, on a predetermined time that you set. So if you set the reels to be auto scrolled every 15 seconds, they will be auto scrolled every 15 seconds. And I did not use the app that much to know how to fix this or change this. I'm just showing you the app, guys, and show you that it's possible, and there is a solution to your problem. So let's click on start service. Let's get rid of this ad, and let's get back to Instagram. Okay, now as you can see here on the screen, it has gave us this like menu on the left of the screen, so we can control the app. So let's go to Reels, and you will see that this reel will be auto scrolled. As you can see, they will be auto scrolled on their own, and you can see a timer on the side of screen. As you can see, 4 3 2 1, boom, auto scroll. 14 13 12 11 10 seconds, etc. Wait for the timing, and it will be auto scrolled. As you can see, the app does work. However, I did not use it long enough to um, really figure out how to make it like per reel, and not make the scrolling work per reel and not per predetermined time. uh, as you can see, maybe it has a like premium version, maybe it's only available on premium, uh, but as I said, there are a lot of apps on the Play Store, and you can like go through them and test which app does work for you. uh yeah, so that was it for this video. That's how you can auto scroll Instagram Reels. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next